2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic AC/DC. Shook me all night long. Let's go. Song is in G major. 1, 2, 3, G major. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We get a D. I say D because we're not going to play a full D major, we're just going to do a D. So, first finger, third finger. And I would say this is not for beginners, this is a little bit harder. We don't have any bar chords, but it's a lot of moving and stuff. Okay, let's play G like this. Third finger and pinky. Let's mute the A string. Let's work on that first. G to C, G, C, G. So I'm just moving. I'm keeping the pinky where it is. Top string, E string, third fret. Then I'm moving the G down to C. Da, do, da, do. And when we grab the C, yeah, we play the full C like that. Da, dum, bum, bum. 2, 3, C, G, C, G. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're gonna grab this D. And we're gonna go. Okay, 2, 3, 4. D, and then G, D, G, D. So from the D, you just go different fingering. So now you keep this one on top here. G, D, G, D, G. C, C, G. Okay, so that's the verses, and then the chorus. So G, and then a walk up from A, second fret A, C, walk down, D, and then walk up. And we want to pick that. Pick 5, 4, 3 on the C. And 5, 4, 3 when you grab the second fret on the B. So that's basically second fret A, open D, open G. Hit the D. And then do the same thing. guitar solo is the same thing. The chords, they just mute it. They go. And the ending, they repeat that. Cool. Let's review all the parts before we end the lesson. So basically we have two parts. We got the verses. And, oh yeah, the intro. That's open D string. And then we got a G up here. We got 7, 8, G string, B string, 7, 8. And while you're holding that, grab 10 on the B with your pinky, and back to that, and then 7, 7. And go down to D here. And grab 2, 3, 4 on the D string. That's the intro. But the main parts, G, C, G, C, G, fingering very important. And then new fingering, D, G, D, G, D, G, C, G, C, G, D, G, D, G, D. Chorus, G, walk up, walk down, pick it. Walk up. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. Alright, cool. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Let's rock more songs tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. Be well, be safe. Thank you.